The man and the cat, who were a perfect match. Sam returned from the factory where he worked as a manager. He felt so tired that he decided to take a nap. However, he felt so unhappy and ragged that he didn't go to his bedroom. "I can't stay awake," Sam said. He took off his black pants and sank on the floor between two cabinets. He closed his eyes and fell asleep. However, his black cat Max was ready for action. Max wanted to jump on Sam's lap, but instead, he landed on his master's chest. "Stay back, Max. You can go sleep on your mat." Sam got up, went to the bedroom, and lay on top of the blanket. Max dashed after him and jumped on his back. Sam stretched forth his hand, trying to catch the cat, but Max ran away. Sam clapped his hands. "What do you want to snack?" "Sorry, I only have apples, yams, and jam in my backpack." But Max didn't want Sam's snacks. He wanted a piece of ham. After all, cats are mammals. "But I don't have any ham at home," Sam said. "If you are a cat, go catch a rat. But I don't think you need it. You are already fat." Max didn't like that fact, so he sank his teeth into Sam's hand. Sam gasped, "You rascal! You are making me mad. I'm not a bad man, but this time I'm going to catch and spank you." Sam grabbed his baseball bat. Max purred and jumped on Sam's lap gladly. Sam laughed. "Okay, Max, I'm not angry anymore. I think your actions are adequate. Let's go buy some ham for you